How to download and install Canva application for your Windows 11 computer system. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and then install the Canva application in your Windows 11 computer system. So basically there are two methods using which you can download the Canva application. The first method involves the use of the Microsoft Store, using which you can automatically download and install the Canva application in your Windows 11 system with just a single click. And then the other method is using the official Canva website. So let us explore both of these methods to install the Canva application in our Windows 11 computer system. So according to the first method, we will be using the Microsoft Store to download and install Canva. So first, let's try to access the Microsoft Store. So to access the Microsoft Store, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and when the taskbar appears, you can see this search option. So simply search for Store. And once you will do this, you can see at the top under the best match the Microsoft Store. So simply double click onto this Microsoft Store to access the Microsoft Store. Now from here, simply search for Canva. And once you will do this, hit the enter button and wait for the search results. Now under the search results, you can see this first application that says Canva and the publisher is Canva itself. If you wish to know more information about the application, you can simply scroll down, and from here you can find about the features, the system requirements and additional information about the publisher as well from this particular section. Now what you will need to do is simply click onto this install button in order to install the Canva application in your Windows 11 computer. Then moving on to the next method, which is using the official website. For this, you will need to require any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser that best suits you. So for the sake of this demonstration, I will be going with the Google Chrome. So let me access my Google Chrome, and then once you are inside your desired browser, simply search for Canva download. And onto the search results, you can see this first link that says Canva for Windows desktop app, download for free from canva.com. So simply click onto this first link, and here it says download Canva for Windows. If you wish to change the operating system like Mac OS, iOS, Android or Chromebook, you can use the following links to download the Canva application for these particular operating systems. But since we are downloading for Windows, you can get it from this particular button right here. So simply click onto this download Canva for Windows button, and here you can see that the file has been started to download. As you can notice, the file is around 168 megabytes, and once the download gets completed, we will try to extract this file. So let us wait for the installation file to get downloaded. And here you can see that the file has been successfully downloaded, and once the file is ready to open, we will open it and install the Canva application. So here you can see the file is ready. So let's click onto this open button, and it will open the Canva installer in our computer. And here it says installing, please wait. And here you go, and we have successfully downloaded and installed the Canva application in our Windows 11 computer system. So that's how easily you can download and install the Canva application in your Windows PC. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.